On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you a little out of the box 2 peas. I have a video on the channel that I've done already 6 years ago, but I'm just gonna refresh your memory with it again. Let me pause right here to say special thanks to those supporting our channels right on over here, and I want to send a shout out to my patrons. Our post notification shout outs today, they go right up there. Now today, if you have been here with me from the longest while, you would have known that I uploaded a bully beef, corned beef, bully beef. In Jamaica we say bully beef, but a tin bully beef stew piece. So here I have a tin of bully beef that I did wash, cut, and I took it from the tin. Okay, I have that. I have here 2 cups of peas, red kidney beans, so you can use a tin or you can prepare some. So you can easily use about a tin and a half. I don't think a tin would be enough with the juices and all. I have got here a little dough of stew peas, of course, so we need peanuts. Okay, so I'm gonna have a few little herbs right here. I've got a little piece of ginger, I've got a piece of smashed garlic, and I've got me here some butter. So I'm gonna be going now, getting my skillet on, get my flame up, a little piece of real butter. This is real butter, and I'm gonna let it melt. As it melts, I'm gonna be adding 1 smashed peg of garlic. So we're gonna let it melt. As it melts, the garlic will infuse the melted butter. With my butter all melted and my garlic in there infusing it, I'm going to be adding my chopped scallions and my chopped garlic. I'm going to be really definitely covering this. I want my onions to get a little softened, but I'm going to swirl it around. Scallions and onions, I'm going to be swirling it around, let it get infused, and I'm also going to be covering it. I'm going to be also lowering my flame. Give it about 2 minutes. Get our stove back up on high, softened. You see that nice pretty color that it has maintained. We're gonna add our peas and with that water in right now, leaving it to come to a boil. Whilst it's coming to a boil, I'm gonna be adding a little grated ginger. If you have ginger powder, you can really do that right now. Okay, so cooking fam, I've just added a little coconut milk. I've added about a half a cup of coconut milk, and now I'm going to be putting in some tomato paste. You could use the beetroot as we use, you know, if you're following me, you know that we normally use the beetroot to color up our stew peas and also our red pea soup, you know, because it's, so we are dissolving our tomato paste. So with our tomato paste all dissolved, I'm going to be putting in these peanuts. You know, our stew peas, but remember, our peas was already cooked, so this is the perfect. And you don't want to cook it till it's all that softened, because you know you have to get a little cooking again. Let it cook with the coconut. So this is what I'm doing right now, putting in our little peanuts, because of course it is stew peas, but we just use a tin of bully beef. When I finish, put these in and return. Our pimento, our allspice in. Remember, our stew peas we are cooking up, so we are do everything. A little cumin and a little black pepper, powdered black pepper, not the cracked one. So we are getting it all. The last thing is going to be putting in is the bully beef or the corned beef, whatever. A little cayenne pepper, because I ain't got no Jamaican Scotch bonnet. The one of them I have, and kind of what this. So this is a lot. You see that? I don't want to add any salt. I know you're going to say, Debbie, about you not add no salt. No, I'm not going to add any salt, because corned beef is definitely salty. So I think it should do. And I did cook the peas with just a pinch of salt. So we're going to cook it. Come every now and then, stir it until it has that body. The peas is going to cook. The peanuts are in there. And we are going to, like we do a regular stew peas, we are going to mash a little add the peas to the side as we come along each time to get that body coming. So I'm going to leave this to cook probably about 15 minutes, coming along every time to get the stirring going on and to get that body, that stew piece, that stew consistency. And then we'll come back, add our corned beef, and then we'll plate up some for you. So you see our stew, it's coming down. So at this point, I think we're gonna let it come down, reduce a little more before we add our corned beef. The corned beef is just gonna flavor it up now because it's already cooked, it's soft, so we don't want to add it in. So just gonna give it probably another, you see that? You seeing it, Dad?
Yeah.
You see that? Peanuts in there with peas and everything. We're gonna let it reduce a little more. Then we're gonna add our corned beef. So this is the look. Now I'm gonna add my bully beef, as we say in Jamaica. I'm gonna add our bully beef. Wow, this is looking so good. Look at that. You're gonna let it sit in there on the low. I've already tasted for my salt perfection, so you can, you know, spice up, do what you want, different from what I do. I just show you like a, you know, like a framework, like a thing where you have to follow, you know. So this is it. This is what it looks like. So you're gonna let it sit in there, and you're gonna let the bully beef sit in this stew, okay, under the lowest heat that you have. When you see me next, I'll have a plate ready for you. There you have it, cooking fam. Your Jamaican bully beef. Only a Jamaican thing. This is only Jamaica I could have said it. Bully beef, stew peas. Please do. Enjoy.